Hello everyone. I am discuss about assignment number fourth of the advanced machining process. So first question is possible applications areas of MRAFF process are. Answer is all of the above: aerospace, medical, automotive. Second question is which property of MR fluid can be controlled using externally applied magnetic field? Answer is viscosity. And third question is during finishing of stainless steel in RMRAF process, the most significant process parameter is rotational speed of the magnet. Answer. And fourth question during internal polishing of cylindrical workpiece in RMRAF process, the out of roundness of the workpiece varies with the increase in abrasive mesh size as decreasing. Decreasing is answer right. Indentations by the abrasive particles on the workpiece surface by RMRAFF processes due to the combined effect of magnetic force and centrifugal force. Six questions in RMRAFF process, the path followed by active abrasive grain at the internal surface of the cylindrical workpiece surface is helical path. And seventh, in which one of the following process cross hatch patterns on the workpiece surface like in RMRAFF is generated is awning process. And eighth questions: what are the advantages of RMRAF process? Uniform finishing, controllable finishing force, nanoscale finishing. All of the above answer is right. The percentage change in surface roughness varies with the increase in abrasive mesh size in RMRAF process as decreasing. And tenth questions is yield strength of MR fluid is in the range of 0 to 100 kilopascal. And 11th questions surfactants is added in MR fluid to reduce agglomerations and reduce sedimentations. Both are answered right. The percentage change in surface roughness varies with the increase in rotational speed of the magnet in RMRAFFH, increasing and then decreasing. Answer is right. And 13 number questions. The out of roundness varies with the increase in rotational speed of the magnet in RMRAFF, increasing and then decreasing. Say, right answer. If the abrasive mesh size is 120, then how does the percentage change in surface roughness varies with the increase in extrusion pressure in RMRAFF, increasing and then so decreasing pattern? 15 number questions. Which one of the following viscosity models better fits the experimental yield stress data obtained from the rheometer? Herschel-Berkeley model, the right answer. 60 number. There is a decrease in yield stress when the total solid contains CIP plus abrasive, जो solid total contents होता है, of the MRP fluid reaches more than 35%. Right answer. In RMRAF process, surface finish of the workpiece reaches as low as 16 nanometer from numerical simulation of MR polishing fluid inside a cylinder at a given magnetic field. Higher extrusion pressure gives rise to a smaller plug flow region. Answer. 19 number questions. The chain formations by CIPS in MR fluid is not continuous due to the presence of abrasive particles. RMRAFF gives higher polishing rate than MRAFF process due to Centrifugal force and tangential cutting force both are right answer. Magnetic force भी हो सकता है नहीं होगा. Both answer rights. 1 and 2.